Alright, guys, good morning. Welcome back. It is Tuesday, April 15th, 2025. I hope you guys have had a good morning. I'm hopping off the charts a little bit earlier than I'd like to today. We took a loss today, and honestly, everything was pretty much there for us to take this setup. Yeah, we were going against the higher time frame bias, but we're way overdue for any sort of like a retracement. During the overnight session, we just pumped up. I think those are all like from 8, like that pump up range is all from 8 a.m. up. So I was looking for retracement here to 50%. We did not get that. I was looking to the left. We took out a lot of buy side, and we were bouncing out of a 5-minute, and there was just a lot of stuff that is there that needs to be there. And I think the only thing that was lacking in this trade was clean PA. I mean, you can see this was not the cleanest. Like, we are, yeah. Anywho, in hindsight, I think despite the fact that most all my confluences were there, other than like having a good solid fair value or inverse fair value gap and like good solid strong momentum candles down. I mean, that's the thing though, is like there honestly wasn't, the candles that inverse the fair value gaps weren't even that weak. It's just, if you look at the candles around them, it's just not, like, it's a little iffy still. So I think, I don't know. But all in all though, it wasn't a bad trade. I'd rate it like a B plus or A trade, just because there were so many confluences. I mean, we had a higher time frame SMT, we had so much buy side swept, and we were bouncing out of a higher time frame PD array, right? The only downfalls were we were going against the daily or the higher time frame bias on the 4-hour, but on the 1-hour we had swept those highs and had like bounced down quite a bit. So there was quite a good wick on the 1-hour, which made me think even more like, okay, yeah, we're looking lower now, trying to get some of these lows and then return back to the tracing out buy side. But maybe I just entered the wrong time. Maybe, I'll keep watching the charts. I'm not sure if I'll take another trade, but maybe we will go down, and like it's just consolidating after taking all this liquidity, which it would make sense. But anyway, you can see the trade plan out here. I typed out "get down there," drawing arrows and shit. But I thought, like, after candles like this, I thought, damn, like, here we go, finally. And I thought we're seeking out that little swing high, but nope. Look at that fucking wick. That's ridiculous. Where are we going right now? Where are we going? PA or volatility seems to be settling down. I mean, I'm finally able to take 4 contract trades again. Granted, I did lose like $300 on this, but honestly, I thought this was a good trade. So in reality, I'd probably take this trade again. but I'd like next time I'm gonna be pickier with the fair value gaps that we are inversing and how clean it is when we inverse those. So, but I mean, the candle I entered off of is so heavy. Like, I don't know, man. That's crazy. Probably just a cleanliness issue, PA. But or maybe the higher time frame is just that gravitational towards the top buy sides. But that's the trade. I'm gonna go ahead and end this one here, guys. But thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have a good week and have a good Tuesday, and I hope you took a win today. Alright, guys, peace out.